The reason you clicked on this video is you're interested in meditation and never tried it, or you've just started exploring meditation. I was at a similar place 2 months ago, and in this video I'll tell you about my experience with meditation and the tools and apps that I use to help me with the same. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In case you're new here, my name is Shivam Jangra. I'm working as a product manager for last 3 years in the Indian tech startup space. Prior to that, I graduated from Hansraj College in Delhi University. So let's talk about my experience with meditation. So I'm not a professional in meditation and I've started exploring it recently. So I had zero experience with meditation, but I was always kind of interested in meditation. Never took it seriously for a long time. So I took it seriously in the last 2 months and it has absolutely changed the game for me. Since I've started doing meditation, I was able to connect deeply with myself. I was able to do deep self-talk with myself and understand what my deep desires were. Every day we wake up in the morning and think about that we have to go to work, do these household chores that we think about, but we never deeply understand why are we doing all this and what are our deep desires that we truly want to fulfill and are doing all of this for. It helped me keep aside what society expects of me, and I was able to truly focus on myself and understand what my fears were. I was able to think about my goals clearly. I was able to manage my relationships effectively, and also I've become mindful of things that I've been doing. So let's talk about other benefits. Every day when we wake up, there is so much of noise from different sources. Our parents expect this from us, our boss expects this from us, our relationship has so many expectations, the world is shouting thousands of different things on us, right? We are scrolling through social media, there is so much of things happening. Meditation has helped me focus on what is inside, what my inner voices are saying. I've learned to be mindful of the present and focus on it rather thinking about past or the future. I know what I am doing right now and how does it fit in what I want to do and what my desires are. I've started to look at things from a different perspective. Meditation also helps you with thinking about things from a different perspective, and that is most of the time a very fresh perspective that you haven't thought about. When you're beginning with meditation, I would suggest you to start with a guided meditation. And I say that because there has been a study that suggests an average person has 6,200 thoughts per day, due to which our mind is also called a monkey mind. It keeps hopping from one thing to another thing. There are thousands of things that we are thinking about. It becomes so difficult to actually understand and focus on things or thoughts which matter, and meditation can help you tame that monkey mind. And because there are so many things going on in our mind, to start with meditation and actually start with taming your monkey mind, you will need some external help, where guided meditation comes in. So guided meditation is where a person will guide you through your practice and actually tell you and help you with what thoughts to focus on, and they'll help you with your practice and be with you when you're actually performing your practice. There are 2 tools that I use to help me with guided meditation. The first is a meditation app which is called Insight Timer, and the second are my Bose QC headphones which I use to actually listen to the guided meditation. So there are a bunch of meditation apps that you can use. The most famous ones are Calm and Headspace, but I've tried exploring those apps, tried meditating with them in the past, but I couldn't stick with it. And now I got introduced to a third app which is Insight Timer, and I really loved it. So you can try out these 3 apps called Calm, Headspace and Insight Timer, but what I personally use is Insight Timer, and it has absolutely changed the game for me. So let's talk a bit about Insight Timer and why I really like it. The first and foremost reason why I like Insight Timer is that it has over 70,000 free guided meditations. And the best thing about these guided meditations is these are from the world's most renowned meditation teachers. And when you're starting with a particular thing, you don't actually want to go ahead and commit something financially to a meditation app, even when you don't know you'll continue with it or not. And the second thing is there are a lot of different varieties of meditation that you can choose from. You can choose to focus on breathing exercises, on calming your thoughts, on gratitude practices. There are a bunch of different meditations that you can choose from, and the one that you like or suits you the best. And the third and the most important point, which I feel, is the community. Whenever you are starting a new habit, it is easier to make it stick when you are with a community, and there are people who are with you in the journey, are helping you with your problems. Insight Timer has built this beautiful community where a lot of people from all across the globe come together to meditate. You can participate, discuss your problems on all of these groups and circles which are built. Talking about my morning routine, I have not been a morning person for most of my life. The first thing that I do when I wake up is don't touch my phone and take 10 to 15 minutes to actually become more aware and drink around 500 ml to 1 liter of water every day. That actually helps me come out of my sleep and focus on the things that are going on in my mind. The next thing that I do my meditation practice first. I put on my headphones, cut out the noise, and start to focus within myself. And I do different meditation practices every day, ranging from gratitude practice to calming my thoughts, breathing practices. And that gives me so much of energy to help me become more aware in my day and focus on the things that matter. And the personal note is that you should start meditating no matter your age, your background, what you are doing in life. You should start doing meditation from today itself. It will absolutely change the way you think about things, give you a lot more peaceful and calm mind, and actually be able to focus on the things that actually matter. And when there are so many things happening around us, it is so important to look within yourself, introspect, and talk to yourself what you are feeling, how you are feeling about the things that you are doing. Please focus on your mental health, because that is the most important thing in the world. Your meditations will fill you with the energy to actually ace through your day, and that is the best investment you can make when you are starting your day. A lot of people say that they don't actually have the time to meditate, and that is the biggest lie, because a meditation session takes only 10 to 15 minutes. You can choose to do it for longer, you can choose to do it for shorter times, but if you can spare only 10 to 15 minutes a day and do it for 2 to 3 weeks, you'll come to realize that it can add so much of value to your life. Please carve out 10 minutes a day out of your total 24 hours to focus on your meditation practice. That will actually help you in a lot of aspects. Please share this video with anyone you think would find it helpful. Please click the like button if you like this video, or comment down below if you have any questions or something to say. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.